This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Docker. So I'm right here on the Docker download page. Now you can find this page at docker.com/products/docker-desktop. Now I appreciate that's quite a long URL. I will put that URL in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up right on this page, and you don't need to search for the page or anything like that. So from here you will hover over the download Docker desktop, and now we have a few different versions. So whether you're on a Windows machine, there's a couple of options there. They've got a Linux version and two also for the Mac, for the Intel chip and for the Apple Silicon chips. So I'm on Apple Silicon, so in my case I would click on the Mac one. So you click on the one that you want to download, and just like that on the Mac I have Google Chrome. That file will go directly to the downloads folder on Google Chrome. So depending on your browser, wherever your download location is, you will then open the installer from there. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Docker on your desktop computer useful. If you found this video helpful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like